Spectracide Stump Remover Directions. When you eliminate trees from your yard, leaving stumps behind can create an unsightly landscape. Remove residual stumps with proper care to protect the rest of your yard and improve its appearance. Spectracide Stump Remover encourages decomposition of stumps that have already died or been treated with systemic herbicide. Eliminate the residual heavy brush and stumps from your property quickly with Stump Remover. Things you'll need: systemic herbicide brush killer, drill, funnel, water, charcoal briquettes. Treat the stump with a brush killer according to the product instructions. Wait the prescribed amount of time for the product to take effect and kill the stump. Drill multiple 1-inch holes in the stump to a 12-inch depth. Drill holes into the sides of the stump at an angle so that the bottom of the hole intersects with the holes you drilled into the top of the stump, forming a V. Pour 4 ounces of stump remover in each hole, using a funnel to make sure the crystals fall in the hole. Pour hot water into the holes to dissolve the crystals. Add water to the holes daily for several days to ensure that the stump remover dissolves completely. Wait 4 to 6 weeks for the stump to decay. Dig up the stump and dispose of the remnants or burn it. Set charcoal briquettes on top of the stump and set a fire. Let the fire burn until the stump and roots reduce to ash, smoldering out slowly.